One more quiz. Yes, lot of quiz questions and lot of learnings. This answer, I would be happy if somebody answers this. Which of the following commands will replace values in y that corresponds to values in x that are less than 10, 0, 10 with 0? X or x value should be less than 10, or that corresponding y value should be made to 0. A, B, C, D. And double equal to is comparison, so I cannot use option B. So option B is ruled out. They see whether the answer is option A, C, or D. Whichever values of x less than 10, I am going to replace those values of y with 0. I got the A and C as the options, so I will go with A. I feel logically A is correct. Let us see. Yes. Y x is less than 10. For those conditions, the y value is made 0. This is wrong because double equal to is comparison, does not assignment, so this is wrong. And when I write y is equal to 0 of something, MATLAB will show error for this. And this is also wrong because MATLAB indexing starts from 1 and y of 0 itself, MATLAB will throw an error. So last two will throw error. Second one is, will not throw error, but it is going to be giving out a logical answer because I'm using a double equal to. Double equal to is for comparing. Okay, it is not for assigning. So now see the same, we are going to use this logical indexing and find. So see here, you create a logical vector home winning which contains the true values corresponding to team having more home wins than home losses and false otherwise. Okay, then use the logical indexing and find out which teams are going to do that. So see here, home winning equal to home wins greater than home losses. It's just a simple logical operator, relation operator, and I'm going to see which all teams. So use the team to see which all teams. So I run this code, you can see which all teams, the team names will come. So out of 20 teams, 11 teams have home wins more than home losses. Usually this home winning will be a logical operator, but when you pass this to the team, corresponding index will be transformed into team names. Okay, we'll submit, the answer should be correct. Yes. Next one, same thing. Name of teams that have more than 10 home wins and less than 3 home losses. And store the answer in a strong home teams. So you are going to use and command, less than and command I'll be using. So you'll be using ampersand here. See here, home wins greater than 10 and home loss less than 3. I'm directly, see, I'm combining these two into a single statement. So directly you will get the answer for the team names. Only 2 teams have more than 10 home wins and less than 3 home losses. This is simple. Yes, we are combining and we are getting the answer. Same way you can use for goals scored and goals conceded. That can also be done. Another example is given in MATLAB. So results and goals, same way they are asking find the goal difference for each team when playing at home on the road. Store the results in the corresponding variables. So it is simple task. We are going to difference. So I'm going to subtract and see what is the goal difference. So goal difference home equal to home goal minus away goal. Goal difference away equal to away goal minus away GA. So GA is going to be goal for and goal against, right? So home goal for minus home goal against, away goal for minus away goal against. This is just subtraction. They are saying element by element subtraction is going to happen. So we'll subtract, we'll submit, answer will be correct because the simple subtraction. Yes. Next task.